Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO X300 and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll all the way down to find the system management. Let's tap. Then let's tap on language and region. And here tap on add language. As you can see at the top, we've got the list of all languages which are currently applied, let's say, or the shortcut list of our favorite languages. We've got only English. So let's tap on add language, and here we've been transferred to the full list of available ones. So all you have to do is to scroll and find your language and then tap on it. I'll pick Turkish. So just tap on it, choose the region if you can, and then tap on change system language. As you can see, the new language has been immediately applied to the top of the list. It is also marked, and from now on the whole system will be displayed in the chosen language. If you've got more than one language is added right here, you can quickly change them just by tapping on the language you'd like to use. Your device will immediately mark it, it will move it to the top of the list, and now the whole system is in English. If you wish, you can also remove the languages from this list. Just tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner and tap on this minus icon next to the language and tap on the tick icon here. And as you can see, we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.